Hi everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to crochet the spiked boxes stitch. To begin the stitch, we want to chain an odd number of chains. So I have a beginning chain of 17 stitches, and then in the 4th and 5th chain from the hook, we are going to half double crochet 2 together. So 1, 2, 3, 4, we're going to start there, yarn over, insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over again, and then into that next chain, which is the 5th chain from the hook. We're going to insert our hook, pull up another loop, and then we are going to yarn over and pull through all 5 loops on our hook, and that is a half double crochet 2 together. Next, we are going to double crochet into this last stitch that we just worked into. And that is the pattern we are going to follow for the rest of the row. So we're going to half double crochet 2 together the next 2 chains. So again, yarn over, insert your hook into the first one, pull up a loop, yarn over, insert your hook into the second stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over, and pull through all 5 loops. So here is our half double crochet 2 together over 2 chains, and then we are going to double crochet into that last stitch that we worked into. Again, half double crochet 2 together in the next 2 stitches. And then double crochet into that last stitch. So a half double crochet 2 together is essentially a decrease. So we are adding that double crochet back in so we aren't losing any stitches in this row. So go ahead and continue that pattern all the way across your chain, half double crochet 2 together over 2 chains, and then a double crochet into the last stitch that you worked into. So at the end here, you are just going to end with a half double crochet 2 together. We're not going to do a double crochet, just end the last 2 stitches with a half double crochet 2 together. And then for row 2, we're going to turn our work, chain up 2, and we're going to do half double crochet 2 together, starting in this first stitch and over the second stitch. And then we're going to double crochet into this space beneath the half double crochet 2 together. And we're just going to follow that pattern across. So here's our next 2 stitches. We're going to half double crochet 2 together. And then double crochet into this space beneath the half double crochet 2 together. So we're just going to repeat that pattern all the way across, half double crochet 2 together over 2 stitches, and then double crochet down under the half double crochet 2 together. And then I'll show you how to finish off the row. So once you get to the end, you should have 1 stitch and the turning chain left, and we are just going to make a half double crochet 2 together over those. So into the first stitch and then into the turning chain, just a half double crochet 2 together. And then that is the row. You just want to continue to repeat until the height of your project is achieved. I hope you learned something new in this video, and if you enjoy crochet tutorials, be sure to subscribe to my channel.